I have one?
I didn't have
Okay,
it.
well now let's go.
Come on, just once,
Sam,
please. You're just.
Please.
Exactly. Come
Okay,
on, just for a bit.
if this vlog does good on YouTube, I'll let you hold it for 5 minutes in one day.
Yeah, sure.
Hey!
Wait,
I
one
haven't
day?
posted it on YouTube yet. Okay.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
balls.
We're going to McDonald's today. We're here at Stack Elementary. Yeah. Come with us. Okay, yeah.
We're almost school. We're turning grade 6.
Guys, we're skipping the tour. We're actually going to McDonald's because my ass is hungry. We have 50. Show your money. Show your money.
100.
Wow. 550.
No, we're going alone.
Guys, we have to come back because yeah.
We're going alone. Oh yeah. We're going alone.
Yeah.
But the guard is really strict. Like, he wouldn't let any kid.
We must run out. Go, 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 go.
You're running so slow. Okay, guys.
Sam, do you
We're back.
Sam, do you remember when Zach was walking, his butt was like jiggly?
Wait, hold on. Let me bolts up. Okay, so this is our favorite flower.
Sam, you never even. Oh yeah, Sam, let me hold your tablet. What? I get exchange for It's my turn. Okay, please. Okay,
Please.
after Sam, I'll bring you one thing. Okay, well, Sam, it's over. Give it to me.
This is unoriginal.
I'm joking. I'm just joking.
Just
okay,
joking.
when it hits 5 minutes in the recording here,
Yeah.
you have to give it to Macy, okay?
So today we are going in McDo
Yeah.
alone without parents.
Without guidance.
Yes. And we're gonna walk on the sidewalk right now, so.
I think the only thing I can buy with this is a burger.
Burger. We can only buy a burger.
Guys, where do I buy water?
In McDo!
Water lang. Ang tuto sa Merry Mart kayo mo. Ew, bitch. He wanted to rob us. Oh, you had
Yo, that was honestly. A kid wanted to rub us. Hey, can you hold this now? I'm tired.
Okay. Hey, Macy, it's time. Hold it. Put your hand here. Your compatible hand, yeah. Okay.
Okay, guys, so. Yes.
Hey, don't forget us.
Wait, you have to go to Merry Mart and buy like some things if you want. Like gummies. You can just watch us eat even.
Huh?
You can just watch us eat. Sam, where are you?
Oh, we're going there?
Merry Mart.
Mailhan na ay orientation. Sakiya.
Wouldn't take the car now. Lala, hi guys. Wait, ado na to sa ako ng Mr. DIY.
Bahala na mo. 50 lang kwarta na ako mapalagan to.
I am gonna buy some.
Okay, well, I hope they will let us
Faster, you're so slow.
in.
Hi. You're back.
Olive.
Piso ka. Wait, bilis.
Oh, isunod.
Guys, be professional. Okay, ito. I call dibs.
No, please.
No.
Okay, my money. Okay, someone get inside.
Are we gonna buy the whole grocery store or what? Your number.
Oh, I have my number.
What?
My number is 911.
Wait. Somebody carry this.
Oh,
take it. I won't spend all of it. Wait,
Yo, uy, amang, ano kasi masakay na na?
We can't sit there. We're so
Just be
childish.
Uy, pagdali, kay sa bakdura ba to?
annoying.
Everyone. Wait, ang tao. Pepsi. Wait, they have C2 here. Bilang C2. 48. Putang.
Diliman good LTT beer bird server. Let's buy some wine.
It's free real
guys.
estate.
Let's buy this. No, let's buy
No,
this.
I wanna. Oh, you Cheetos.
Cheeto.
Cheetos.
Oh, has 157 here. Nope. Let's just buy
You
this.
want to eat Cheetos?
No.
Okay.
What if
You're supporting genocide.
Let's buy this.
Picnic? Okay.
Let's all share. Go there, like in the cart where you drive.
Ketchup?
It's you.
No, just put it in. We wanna taste it. We wanna taste it. It's like ketchup. Ow!
Sorry. What should we buy? We're like shopping.
We're touring this like we're the owners.
Hey, I want to buy some shampoo.
Oh
No, shampoo.
my god, I want this.
Steven, do you have that much money? You have 196.
Shut up. I only have like half of the cover.
Wait. What's this?
It doesn't.
Everybody
We have a big ass back, so we're here to.
Steven's carrying our things because he doesn't have money.
Hey, you told me that you can libre me.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go. Here we go.
Mato na tayo ka?
Oh, ato na to. Uy, mato na to. Balik na to, uy. Sneakers, sneakers.
S pero walay sneakers pero walay S. Nick. Hindi usara yung kita lang.
Ay, nara guys, pagdali. Priority lane. Priority lane. Uy, priority lane.
Dali tayo.
Steven, ako sa una. Kinukuan lang. Halika. Ayaw mo. Wala, ako na natin.
Ano kay 10? May piso ba ako na ng naka-G's?
Naka-G's ha? Wala.
Naka-G's?
Naka-G's?
Yung sa ganin ako.
PDT kayo kang somebody in. Ilis ni. Kuy sintik. Tente. Kira na?
Wala sa kuy G's.
Wala.
Kira ako yung G's.
Okay na mga tag-piso. ang sukli.
Oh.
Tagang taan nila. Ay, uy! Pwede may pasinsiyo, ti? 9,500 for 100?
Ayaw
Oh, dili?
Ayaw lang. Ayaw lang.
Do you know Skibidi toilets? Wait, don't forget your picnic!
How am I supposed to? Can you just hold the camera for
Oh,
me?
see?
The camera. No,
Okay,
I'll hold
you
the
hold the
camera.
camera. Under my mouth, it's very.
Show it in its face.
72. I don't
Now you
know.
have to pay me 14 pesos. What was that of yours?
Yeah, 14.
Okay. Wait, no, we have to all share that. The picnic. So,
Yeah.
Steven,
No!
7 pesos.
Oh, come on! I don't want. Okay, fine. 100 di mo dahil.
Hello, in town.
Uy, together na sa 500 niya.
I think you...
Wala
in-
Nasa 500. Kaya mamatay. Sukli ako ang... Since yung 100, I'll just give her 100. Ang mabay pa na yung together na sa 200.
Wala in...
Ay, ngayon, ganun siya 100. Down sa man ka. Mao lagi. And then, di ba na ngayon si 100. Dahil ikaw ang tamobayad. excuse me, 72. Ako ng change. Okay, I'll give her 100.
Equal kiniya og divide. Uy, imo ihatag na ako kay 72?
No.
Oh.
100. Minus sa iyang mga...
Hey,
That's tax! Minus that is so not
Kalain.
Minus a sneaker. That is so not.
Ah!
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, well, let's walk out and claim our stuff.
Uy, kalain!
Wait, wala pa ito.
Capturing every moment.
Katungod sa katong resibo ani. Naa diri. Ay, dala bahala na. Wait, can you get the receipt here? The receipt for that?
Wait, you're facing on your feet!
No, get the receipt for this one and put it here. Where is water? Water, oh, nara. Butan mo.
Wait, let's claim our bags.
Ay, siya lang ka. Let's go to... It's so noise! Awan yung tingog ko, sokro! Ikaw.
On our way to claim our bags.
Diretso sa McDo or kuan na lang?
Diretso may sa makina.
No, we also go to school. Pamanako ang makuha. Sige, Sam, you go to McDo. You wait there, but if it's your turn, don't order yet. Let the person behind you. Yeah. Wait, pero I still have the traffic stop. Then go get it. Me and Sam are gonna go to the McDo. I have to return this. Okay, yeah, so you go first. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to McDo. Bye, see you later.
Wait, can you hold this?
Why?
I don't want to hold it anymore.
Wait, can you hold my stuff first?
Thanks for the money.
Wait, busy ka? Abi, ako kwarta! Ako! Okay guys, so that was a lot of chaos back there, but you know, we're just like that. Very problematic. But yeah. Now on my way to clean my stuff. It's an ATM over there. Thank you. Okay guys, we got our stuff. God, get away. We got our stuff. My hand is full of stuff right now. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna go to McDo to meet with Macy and Sam, or just Sam. Probably Macy's giving someone something. So yeah. Basically, I fit in it. Push. Oh, people here. I think they left me. Yeah, they actually left me, guys. Okay, but we should just order something. Oh, they have a new thing. Perfect for lunch. We only have 50. Let's see what we can afford with 50. Oh my god, it's hitting me. It's literally hitting me. Tax everything. Hi. Remember me at the playground? Huh? Remember me when I was watching you on the playground? Oh yeah, hi. 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 Wanna say hi? Hi. Okay. I'm waiting for my friends. I think they left me. Yeah. We should wait for them, guys. Yeah. My friends are inside, so we have to wait for them. Inside of McDo, it's very crowded. Actually, no one is here for me. I wonder where they could have gone. Did they go upstairs or did she just go? Let me check upstairs. She must be too childish enough to come in here. Oh my gosh. Guys. She's actually here. Okay, we're in here. Okay. So we can finally chill. So I'm watching here to check if Sam and Macy will be there. Hopefully they didn't leave me alone outside because I will get my mother will get mad, so yeah. I mean, I did get permission from my father, but who knows where they went. I have the camera. I just hope they come back here, you know, because they left me alone once. They made fun of me. So, but yeah. Still, there's no people I see that are called that have names along the lines of Samantha and also Macy. But if we see them, I'm pointing the camera to them. So I'm gonna let you guys see the road right now out of here in McDonald's. So. Sorry, I put the sugar. Oh my god, it's them. It's actually them, guys! It's them! Holy shit! Look, it's them! Okay, guys, we have to go downstairs now. ASAP, they're there. Shit. Holy crap. I didn't know, guys. I didn't know. Ooh. Okay. This kiosk is closed. We were too late.
I'm gonna find table.
Yeah. No. Down upstairs. Yeah, go upstairs. I want to slide down while I'm eating. No, we must be here. I can barely order anything because my money is only 50. Some guy just tried to catcall me. A little what the fuck moment. Yeah? Oh! Okay. Hello, chicken crumb. We're gonna order now. I wanna... Yeah, Daininta. Okay, can I have a mix and match? I think their mix and match is open. Max Savers. I want Max Savers. So, then 79. No, huh? 79? Can you provide me, 30? Please! Ano ka, i-free mo? Nang libre ka na ako. Okay, 30. I'm gonna, okay. Price imo? Ako, mushroom man. Wait. Sunday. Select mix match, no thanks. Add to order. Okay.
Actually, just want ano lang ko mix and match.
Mix and match sad ka? Do you wanna add something or no? Okay. Add to order. Okay, but what does Sam want?
Okay, wait. I need drink.
You didn't get a drink?
Mine is desserts. Did you order mine yet?
No, we haven't. We only ordered ours.
We start over.
Huh?
You have to order again.
Why?
I'm sorry.
Okay, well let me order mine. Yeah, and then that one, and then no thanks, and then Biscuita! Oh, she wants hers. She wants hers. Let her do hers first. Wait.
Sam, you have to go fifth.
Oh, free. Cancel! Oh my god.
Wait, can you wait?
Make it a meal or a la carte? Okay. Add to order.
Wait, not yet. Sam, wait.
You could have made it a meal! Oh my
That's fine. Sam, that's expensive already.
Oh wait, wait. What do you mean? No, wait. You're spending. Wait. Proceed to checkout. Not today. Wait. View details. Make it a meal. Burger. Kanina lang. With small fries and 107, huh? Ay, 107? Ito pa. Or, no. Okay, no. Okay.
She can just add more.
So, wait. Order more.
Oh my, pagdali ka na mga tao. What?
Wala naman.
Yeah, they left because of us.
Ay, sorry. Select size. Back. Cancel item.
Hey, can I have my tab?
Here, grab it. Don't touch my tits. Grab your tab. Oh, fat ass. I want something with... She should have ordered that.
It's okay.
She's dumb. You really added 10 pesos for a Minute Maid and a McFlurry? You already have a fries with Sunday. You already have a... Oh my god, what the fuck? Just eat it, man.
How much is all of this?
159. Press it and then we have to check out. Oh my no! Back at the counter, served at your table. Please get a table number and enter it here. 1 get that.
Well, whatever. Come on, let's go.
Restart ako. Bago na restart.
105, total 4.
Okay, we might have to. Do we have to cut the picture? Do you have to cut? Should we stop recording now? No?
Let's watch it. I'm gonna keep her 50.
Okay, yeah.
Durong sa tayo pag-meeting. Ano kaya yung bayra namin? 480?